Nathan.
Nathan. Jack.
Or the Wookie.
The Wookie.
Yeah. I get called Bush Wookie for nothing. I'm a little hide and seek champion. I am.
Yeah, you like bushes.
Don't like the things that crawl around in them though. Apart from myself.
We gotta go down there. Oh, have we? What? Yeah.
What the hell is this, Aiden?
Well, if you start there, you'll just get lit up as soon as I say go.
Nuh-uh. You're just giving them a better chance to hide. That's what it is.
It's a tough fight then, isn't it? It's boring if it's a slaughter.
Yeah, but it's fun when it's a slaughter.
And that doesn't get inconvenience.
No.
Swanging.
No, it's not connected up.
Love it.
I feel like it will be.
It isn't on the bolty.
When it's applicable.
The same size as these bollocks, you see.
Check off one. Yeah, same. I've only got one now.
Yeah, yours is what? 250?
350.
350. Yeah, I got 3,000. There's a huge difference.
I mean, I got like 150 more. Little like injection shot.
He does run out. He should go, Chris, cover your mags.
That's just a bottle, isn't it? Like,
2,200 BBs.
Up the sleeve and everything.
yeah, Alex was saying about that. Yeah. Interesting idea. The only thing that annoys me is in between games I do that. It's like, yeah.
I find it
could
easier
like
just
that, yeah.
as soon as I holster it, I just pull back and pull the line out, and then I've still got the free movement.
Really? That game, I love it. Like same pistol, different. Fingers way over here, but fair enough. Completely fair enough. But yeah,
I've got more bullets than you.
Same shit, isn't it? It's funny.
Oh God! You can't. You're gonna carve the chicken with that later, Chris. Oh, you bastard! That didn't bend. That's real. You can't.
You just wait for me to stab you.
Right, what are we doing? Where are we going? Who are we going to kill?
Everyone.
All of them.
The other week.
We're going that way.
I say, let's say one. We
Do you
like
prefer the unedited videos or the ones to do the editing?
I don't know. I like to say one. It was easy for me to find myself.
I drop it a little bit in front so everyone runs into it.
I love this.
On the other hand,
Help yourself.
oh God, I'm not gonna lie. This fun.
Look at the Martian's feet.
You saw your one the other day because obviously.
Oh my God!
I'm
joking.
So my videos, you see a lot of people who just do editing all the time. I did a video so everyone can see who wants to get an airsoft, to see what it's actually like. That's why I do it.
Oh, right, fair enough.
Plus it's what I say, it's time editing.
Well, I'll be honest with you. Fully your base. I mean,
You borrowed it off your mum, that?
I get your pings now.
I've been there loads of garden.
Yeah, no, if to subscribe, you got the notification for the full bell, you can get it everything.
That's fantastic.
And as well, this video, I'm feeling like this first game's uploaded tomorrow morning. And all the other games over the week. And you will be on it now.
What's all that?
No steam. Where are we going, Chris? That way?
For a minute. Let everyone else deal with it.
Fuck it, let them all run.
Yeah. No. My tactic right now is you wait for which side to come back the most.
The most, yeah.
And it looks like the centre.
And I think, what would go around that way?
I can do. I'm a hiding expert.
Come on.
Seb, I'll be close range support.
We'll follow over.
No, same me.
At the bottom of 2 left. The mini ninjas are getting shot, so What am I not seeing? Who am I not seeing? This is running a bit fucking on as well. Why you shoot the bush?
No, because she's right at my 12 o'clock. See him there?
I can't see what you're shooting at.
If you don't hold it right, I'll push it, yeah? If you hold me, I'll push it.
It's literally...
So you'll go for it, yeah?
Two. One, two, three, four.
I see ya.
That's better.
Semi-only.
Huh?
Semi-only.
I thought you said it was full or what?
No, semi-only.
Oh.
Hit! Right,
Yeah, sorry, there's someone behind you.
no, they're friendly, sir.
Right, right.
Oh, I got hit in the hand.
Oh, that stings.
I think there's one on the right somewhere in the bush.
I can't say, did I?
Oh yeah, that's it. Get some pace on it. Get some pace. Let's go. Let's go.
He respawns it.
Let's go, yellow.
There's one line of bushes in his
Yeah, green canister there, I can see him.
I'm dead pissed.
Yeah, no, I spotted him. Yeah, he's gone.
Over in the far left. Chris, come in.
Yeah, Bella, come on.
Come on guys, let's go, let's go. We're just sitting ducks here, let's get forward.
So I was trying to run as much as I could and get up.
Respawn stays at our last man. Keep moving forward. Don't stand still at the back.
Hell yeah, man. Good push though. Push left.